Hello there, so I have COVID, that's why hence the mask, and I might be coughing and spewing everywhere, but I wanted to make some use of my time away from work, and quarantine's kind of boring, so I wanted to do a painting. My symptoms haven't been that bad, just like a slight sore throat and coughing a little bit and sneezing, but that's it, no fever. I've actually never had a fever in my life before, so my immune system's strong. I caught COVID after New Year's on the 4th, that's when the symptoms came. So that's a great start of the new year. And then the whole family as well has got COVID, so we're all in this together at least. So today I'm wanting to do like a Bob Ross kind of actual style painting this time, like following his actual technique, I guess. I've been watching a lot of his videos to prepare for this moment. I actually got, yeah, look at him, he's great. I got his liquid white oil. All his paintings he always whacks on a little coat of this, like the base of how he makes his beautiful art is this. Excuse me. I have a mask on, you're protected. Yeah, I also feel a bit weak. Fatigue. So using oil paints this time, since I mostly use acrylic paints. So this will be very new to use oil for the first time. I'm gonna use this big palette. You can see it's been well used in my life. Probably won't use this side bit. Lumpy. I'll use this side bit smoother, but more mess. Just ignore the mess. We ignore it! And his little swipey swip. It's a bit different to his. Mine's more pointy, so I hope it'll work the same. For the mountains, you know? Also, instead of using thin ass brushes, I'll be using this, what he usually uses, big brushes. Also got some white spirit to wash my brushes in later. This whole room is another room that my parents are renovating. Nearly done, we just got the wallpaper up from a few days ago, when I should be resting. And also the oil paints. This is very old. I hope the paints are still okay. So that will also be quite an experiment, using old oil paints. Can I say anything else? My hair's different. If you watched Tokyo Revengers, I'm trying to do, you know, Kazu Tora's hair, and the little mole there. I don't actually have a mole there, but his highlights are here, and his hair's here. Also, Attack on Titans comes out today. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. So let's start with using this bad boy. As I said, it has me open yet. Oh, it's easy. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh man. Oh! This is how funny it is. I can't really see it. Oh, you can. Okay, let's use a chopstick to mix this bad boy up. My mother's watching TV downstairs, if I can hear it. Seems like she's watching some sort of opera. Isn't it time to say goodbye? Isn't it that song? Probably. And I hope my parents don't mind me splatting some paint down here. I think it's fine, but very funny. So it's pretty much mixed now. God, it's so funny. Ah! Yeah, looks very even. Just brush it along till you get going with the sky. So I use little aquamarine. This blue is gone. No, it's so big. Oh no. Let's see. And this blue is much better. What blue is this? No, it's like the worst combination. PH and TH. Phthalo. Phthalo. Blue. Phthalo. Can't speak English. It's all a work in progress. Yeah, warning, this won't look amazing because it's my first time. You know, practice makes perfect, yeah. So I just realised that my canvas is actually kind of absorbing the liquid white, which is not good. So I just whacked a bit more on top, just at the bottom bit. So let's get those mountains on. Like using my little scraper, this is a bit different to his. I hope it'll be fine. Angle it up so you can see how. Let's get back to it. Highlights. Mixing it up, up. Oh god, stress. I mean, I do have the wrong tool, like this is probably too small. But like his, this is like bigger. Actually, I really can't draw landscapes. It's like, it was a life struggle for me all the time. He makes it look so easy. It's really annoying. As soon as he makes these like highlights and lowlights in the mountains, it looks so real. And then there's mine. Oh yeah. Oh god. Now I'm looking at it, it just looks so bad. Maybe I'll start again. Redoing the mountains! Darker, darker. Try again. A little bit, so I wiped it this time, and then a little bit on the edge. She tried at least. I mean, it looks okay in the camera. I don't want to zoom up on it. So the little trees, we'll need the fanny brush. I mean, the fan brush. Yush. I don't have an oval brush, so the fan brush again for the big old trees. Maybe I should just stick to cartoons and Disney and everything. So it's like too much. Wow, okay, that wasn't really fun. Tree! It's coming together. Okay, so this will be the leaky bit. Getting there. So basically I finished, but first time I'm pretty surprised by it, I guess. Like, I mean, it could have been a lot worse. I mean, the mountains are already bad, pretty bad. The trees make it decent. I did enjoy doing the trees a lot, so. But the only thing to do now is I want to include some, like, you know, some cartoon in there, you know, a little essence of Jessie in there. So I want to put some characters here. So I'm gonna have to wait until it dries completely so I can paint over it with my most missed paints right now, which is the acrylics. So let's do that with acrylics tomorrow and see how that goes, because I mean, I can't draw any reference on top of it, so it's gonna be quite hard. But yeah, very hard work Was it joy? Was it joy? Was it fun? Girl, I do not know. It was more stress than anything else. Hey ho, I'm pretty happy with it. Hopefully go on to tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be dry and I can somehow save it.
Several days later.
So hello, I am back. So it took 2 days for my painting to dry. Not several days though, don't worry. But this part is dry, so this is where I'm wanting to paint. My idea is, you know, Fox and the Hound? Yeah, I'll be painting those two, so Todd and Copper. Like, it's the same setting basically as the story, so I think they all probably best fit being there. Like, without reference. Oh, it's gonna be hard, but I'll see what I can do. Let's go, let's do this. So here I started painting the Fox and the Hound just using acrylics. I noticed that the texture is quite rough. Yeah, so here I did the outline for Copper, but I should not. Regrets, high regrets. I should have not done that. Oh god, it looks so horrendous. So I quickly go over it. Conceal those mistakes. They never happened. Oh, it looks so great. Wow. So I've finished my painting. I'm not happy with it. I mean, it's okay.
Failure!
Oh man, like, what was even the point of drawing the characters? Should I even upload this? Like, I don't even know anymore. It's just, oof. I mean, it's good to show mistakes in your life.
Failure!
A painting's a painting, it's a process. Obviously I won't be as like good straight away. It's all practice and everything. I'm not talented, you know. Wow.
Emotional, damn it!
There's a lesson learned here. You can't always be perfect in everything, but at least you can practice and you'll get there in the end. I'm satisfied. Like, I still enjoy the process and I like the trees. Take inspiration from this video. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I mean, it was fun. I hope you enjoyed it at least. See my mistakes.
Failure!
Thank you for watching this far at least. I'll have other videos planned up. I don't know when I can do them. Maybe I'll give painting a break. Wow. Thank you. Bye.